Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics, your lock screen PIN or pattern, and a backup of biometric entries so you can re-register if needed. Once done, make sure battery saver is off and storage isn't full. Those factors can interrupt calibration. Now go to Settings, choose Biometrics and Security, then Fingerprints. Authenticate with your PIN. You're not just tapping, you're preparing the system to accept new data. So stay patient and follow the prompts on screen exactly to start a clean recalibration. You'll delete every fingerprint entry first. That forces the sensor to rebuild its map. After removing them, reboot the phone to clear temporary sensor caches. When registering, use a clean, dry finger and place different parts of the pad. Nail edge, center, left, and right sides. Press firmly for full reads. Make 4 to 6 angle samples and then repeat the entire registration cycle once more. That gives the sensor redundant data points and improves reliability across touches. You finish by testing. Try unlocking 10 times from varying angles and at different speeds to confirm consistent behavior. If you still see misses, clear the system cache via recovery mode or boot to safe mode to rule out third-party app interference. If problems persist, a factory reset can fix firmware corruption, but back up first. As a last resort, contact Samsung service for sensor realignment or replacement. Hardware faults need professional repair rather than more software tweaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.